Hello, Agent X, so glad that you're here. Welcome to the Space Lab to you. Do you want to steer?
Plory, yoop, cookies are baked and bacon is cooked. Investigate!
On Major Peril always needs something done. But there's so much to learn and Earth is so much fun. Can I help too? Yes, Snark, you can help too. Agent X, we need your help to succeed. Come on, let's go. We're on a mission to read. Plory and yoop, Plory and yoop, Plory and yoop. Okay, your move, Snark. Snark! You ate another one of the chess pieces?
Hey, what's the problem, Plory?
I am trying to train Snark how to play chess. But as you can see, it is not going so well.
I think Snarky just needs a little training. Agent X, help us read about dogs. Zowie! We learned a lot about training a dog.
Indeed. We read that we should teach Snark to leave the chess pieces, not to eat them.
Yeah, but you sound sad. What's the problem? Checkmate!
Now that Snark is trained, he keeps beating me at chess.
Way to go, Snarky! It's okay, Plory. Maybe checkers is more of your game. Hey, Agent X, Plory, do you think we could have a farm on our ship? It would be a great way to get food.
A farm? Will it fit in our kitchen?
Not unless we have the biggest kitchen in the galaxy.
Yoop, are you up to something? Why do you really want a farm?
One word, my alien bud. Animals!
Agent X, can you help us read all about animals on a farm? Yoop, we learned a lot about the animals on a farm. They are loud, big, and thirsty.
Yup, and don't forget smart. I know we can't have a farm on the ship, but reading gave me another idea.
Yoop, what is that noise?
Oh, that's just our new helper pig, Roscoe. Pigs are super smart.
Helper pig? What will Roscoe be helping us with?
Just normal pig stuff. Solving math problems, fixing the computers, you know, pig stuff.
Yoop! It appears Major Peril wants us to learn about hummingbirds. I wonder why.
Who knows? Check it out, Plory. I'm a humming yoop.
Very funny, Humming Yoop. But let's get serious. We need to learn more about hummingbirds so we can help Major Peril. Hey, Major Peril just sent us a message. His refrigerator was making a humming sound.
Did he think hummingbirds were in his fridge?
Yes, he unplugged the fridge and the humming stopped. But no hummingbirds were inside.
So, what does he want now?
He wants us to send him food. When he unplugged the fridge, all his food went bad.